Hello world, it is October 3rd and I'm about to go to the event that I've been preparing for this entire time, the Travel and Lifestyle Content Creators event that I've been telling you all so much about. That's today. So I'm dressed, I'm about to head out of the house, and so I wanted to just take a pause, get my camera out, and send you all along on the journey with me. So I'm going to be taking you all through with me today the entire experience. I'm packing up my bag now. I'm just grabbing my earphones, my tripod. I have two phones because I record on my phone. So I have this phone and the one I have recording now. I'm going to be using these to go live and then also to vlog. It's going to be great. I'm going to show you my outfit before I leave. These are my boots. They're just a chocolate brown leather boot. Okay, I am dressed and ready to head out of the door. Here's my outfit for today. I have on chocolate brown leather boots, my chocolate brown Marlowe black purse, and my chocolate brown Marlowe black backpack. I just made it to the venue and I'm about to get set up. The event starts in an hour or less than an hour now. First thing we need to do is just turn the music down because I don't want to have any problems while I'm vlogging and having music in the background. I'm about to get everything set up for the event. There's not a lot for me to do here because as you can see, the space is already set. I'm Shanay, nice to meet everyone. Thank you all for coming. I am originally from Cleveland, Ohio, and I moved to Morocco in 2016 as a Peace Corps volunteer. And so I've been there, well actually I just returned back to Cleveland this past June. And I always wanted to capture my travel experiences. Even before moving, I traveled a lot and I wanted to write about it, but I never could think like, what should I write about? What should I focus on? Now I'm just years later deciding, okay, I'm gonna be serious about YouTube and capture my travel experience. And so I wanted to bring other people together with me. I just wrapped up my very first travel and lifestyle content creators event. Here is my initial reaction of today. I feel very relieved that I was able to pull through with this because honestly, when I created the community on meetup.com, I was hesitant and I was thinking, will people like this? Is this a good idea? I just decided just create the event. And so I went on to Meetup, I signed up and I just pushed enter and that was the end of it. And then I said, okay, here's the event. I set the date and then I made plans around the date. And I'm so happy to have had people participate and engage with me and actually really enjoy being a part of the community. And so you'll hear from people like Marie, who is a travel blogger and podcaster. Marie?
I'm Marie Alina, or you can call me Marie. I'm a blogger, podcaster. I have my own travel business called Purple Head Adventures. It's actually named after this purple windbreaker that comes with me on all my travels.
And she also has her own community on meetup.com. And then there's Colleen, who is a blogger as well and a copywriter. And she has taken her business to the next level. She actually has a virtual assistant who is helping her manage all of her tasks when it comes to creating content.
I'm a coach for freelance writers, as I said, and I guess my platforms that I'm on mostly are like my blog and my Instagram, and then I'm hoping to start a podcast. It's gonna be probably like interviewing other freelance writers about like their businesses and doing like one-on-one, like mini coaching session. It's a course in November.
Oh,
So I'm
good.
really excited about that. Yeah. But I have an employee who actually runs my social media.
Thank you to Sauce the City for partnering with us on this event, telling us their amazing story and how they got started. This is Chef Vic, the owner of Sauce the City.
Hello, guys.
And so he is complimenting us today and allowing us to be in this beautiful space. And so I wanted him to, of course, tell us about the sauce behind the city.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. We are Sauce the City. We're Cleveland's first original hot chicken restaurant. We're the first restaurant actually that centers and focuses on hot chicken. What makes us different is the way we cook it. What we did was we had different cultures and we kind of pulled some seasonings from everybody, and it came together as this like bright red seasoning, but it packed such a punch. And that's why we call it the Cleveland hot seasoning. So we use this seasoning on everything that we have in the restaurant, from the street corn to all the chicken sandwiches, to the seasoning on the fries, to how we season the chicken, the buttermilk and everything like that. We use this and incorporates Cleveland, and we were chosen out of it was about 100 chefs or local entrepreneurs. We were chosen out of them to start our small kitchen inside the galley for a year. So we started that and it just took off. We became the #1 kitchen in the galley. So all the recipes were approved by Clevelanders, all the sauces were approved by Clevelanders, everything was Cleveland. And then when we put out a product, when it reflected purely Cleveland, Clevelanders responded amazingly to it. It was great.
And then allowing us to share and taste some of the delicious food. I had the portobello mushroom sandwich. Everyone else was not vegetarian, so they got the chicken sandwich, and there were 2 options.
I'm gonna vote. We're gonna do a vote. If you guys wanna try the Cleveland hot chicken sandwich, which is one #1, or you guys wanna try our signature sauce, the Diete. So the Diete chicken sandwich versus the Cleveland hot. So basically the Diete is lettuce, tomato, then the chicken is tossed in it's like a sweet marmalade type of sauce. So it's more sweet than spicy. And then we also have the Cleveland hot, so that's the one that we're known for. So it has a bed of cooling sauce. Then the chicken is tossed in our Cleveland hot seasoning with our Cleveland hot sauce. And then it's topped with the kale slaw. And then it's all on a butter brioche bun. And then we also have street corn too. So all the spices came from different cultures around the city. So we take that spice and then we add that to our hot sauce blend. And then it comes out to be not spicy though, but flavored. So
Everybody loved the food.
I really appreciate Sauce in the City inviting us to enjoy their cuisine. I really like the fusion of spices from all around the world that came together in the chicken and the corn that they provided. It's a great environment to come down and have a good time with friends and family.
I think that was the best chicken I ever had. No joke. The corn was, I don't have words for it. It was that good.
Chicken tender sandwich was really crispy. It had the perfect amount of spice. I like the combination with the coleslaw and the sauce. The bun was perfect cooking temperature. I mean, it was just delicious. I will recommend it to anybody.
Hi, I'm Colleen Welsh. I'm a freelance writing coach. I am new to Cleveland, Ohio, so I was really excited to come to this group and meet like-minded people. I've been a freelance writer for the past 4 years and a digital nomad, and during that time I've traveled all over the world and decided to settle down here in Cleveland. Settle down, taking that lightly. So it's great to meet other people who are internationally minded and have been around the world and love to make content and share about their experiences. Oh, and the food was fantastic. I've had a lot of different versions of the Nashville hot chicken, but this one was really special because the chef incorporated flavors from all the different communities around Cleveland. There was like Hungarian spices, Ethiopian spices, Italian spices, Asian spices. It was fantastic.
So this is what I had intended to happen. I wanted to create this community of travel and lifestyle content creators, people that are serious about creating content and actually creating it. These will be monthly community meetups, so if you missed the first one, you're more than welcome to join the second one, the third, and the fourth one. And I would love your feedback. So go ahead in the comments below and tell me what were your thoughts about this event. And I'm looking forward to having more events with more people and more input on how to create travel content, how to partner with brands, and how to grow your travel lifestyle content creating business. Until next time, bye.